Okay, let's dive into the new features and changes for Windows 11 build 27871 in the Canary Channel. First, in this release, network administrators can now manage the Energy Saver feature through the Microsoft Intune experience. In addition, the feature can also be configured through group policy with the new Enable Energy Saver Always Be On policy. This is available from Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, System, Power Management, and Energy Saver settings. So you can always turn this feature on. So this will turn on Energy Saver and the user won't be able to disable it through the Settings app. The mobile sidebar interface that appears on the Start menu now has a few new changes. For example, now the sidebar groups notifications by apps. You can also click the Android phone icon to launch the one-click screen mirroring feature, but this is only available for specific phones such as those from Samsung. Also, if you have the iCloud client installed on Windows 11, you will have access to your recent photos when connecting your iPhone. We can also see that Microsoft have been working on this interface, and from here you can send files directly to your phone, and from this menu you can also access different settings. Now, if we go to the Phone Link app, and then if we go to the settings, and then if we go to the Start menu personalization, from this section, you can control what content appears on the sidebar. So in my case, I have the options to either show recent photos, messages, and calls, but you might see other options as well. If you don't want to show anything, you can just turn this off. Now, if you want to turn off the actual sidebar, you just need to go to the Start settings, and then you can turn it off using this option. So for the taskbar, there are not a lot of changes. However, Microsoft is slightly updating the pill indicator to be a little bit wider when an app requires your attention, as you can see right here. And finally, Microsoft is adding several bug fixes regarding virtualization, File Explorer, taskbar, settings, Task Manager, audio, graphics, and voice access. You can always check the link in the video description to learn more about this build and new updates as they become available. Also, I just wanted to add that although these are welcome additions to the operating system, once again, the Canary Channel feels surprisingly light on truly experimental features. And that has become an actual theme. The Canary track was introduced with the promise of being at the cutting edge of the Windows development, the place where big platform changes would land first. Lately, however, the builds have leaned more toward under the hood adjustment and minor UI refinements. Microsoft has recently said that it's working on more goodies for this channel, but that is not happening on this release. And that's it. Remember to leave your comments, like the video, share it, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet, and I just hope this video was informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing.